All right, Mr. Dance. Well, I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to have Ethan start setting up. Okay. So the hallway, inside that room, the stairs, the living room, dining room combo, and all the tile and grout. Yeah. All right. So how was your New Year's?
It was good.
Okay. Awesome.
I was going to retire in November. And they wanted me to stay because of my expertise.
Awesome.
So
there you go.
Transfer to Florida.
Okay.
In a different position, but I'm still available for all the stuff that I know for the people that they haven't hired yet.
Perfect. Now, when me and Ethan do the tile and grout, you want me to move these couches first? Perfect. We'll do that, and I'll get him to move any small pieces. Okay, great. So I'm going ahead.
I mean, even this to move this because there we can just slide that in there to the point of.
Talking about the table?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we can go under the table. We might not have to move the whole table, but we can go under it. Okay. Oh, we got some ink, so I get those ink stains out. Okay. All right, Mr. Dance. Well, we're going to go ahead and get started. And thank you again. You too. Thank you for calling me back.
Monday, and I wanted to have it all done for him.
Yes, sir. All right.
And this stuff I'll move upstairs. So.
Perfect. Or you can sit in the garage if it's easier.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Good morning, YouTube. What's up, guys? This is Courtney Truman Steamers. Just got to our first job. We got two today. Just went and did an estimate for a lady that I'm going to be doing some tile and grout and carpet cleaning for Monday. So this is our first job, Mr. Keith Daniels. He is a repeat client. I'm going to do the travertine floors and also the carpet. And then we have another repeat customer after this. And there's Ethan back. Say what's up, Ethan. All right. So Ethan, do you want to go ahead and get the cellar door put up? The same setup, the corner guards. Now what we're not going to put up is, don't worry about the floor mats. Just keep those outside because we're going to clean the tile floors. So go ahead and get your cellar door put up. We're going to go through the front door. Yes, sir. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I want to do some video shooting while we're doing the travertine floors, show you guys how those come out. Actually, I cleaned those before. It's been about 2 years, so they're going to come out great. Actually, what I might use on it, I got a sample. It's not on the market yet. I'm going to have Ethan vacuum the carpets while I get the machine warmed up. Where is it at? I think it's back here. All right, you got the silver door up. Here it is right here. I got this from Mikey's Fest. It's a Sager. So I'm going to test this out on this job. It's a high alkaline powdered tile and carpet cleaner. I'm going to do that for the tile and grout. So let's keep the mats right here. So we're going to do the tile and grout. I'm going to use the spinner. Perfect. All right, guys, so we'll come back after this job. Not after this job. This portion of the video. I'm going to get your corner guards, Ethan. And then only thing you're going to pre-vacuum is the hallway upstairs. I'm about to come in and show you though. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the vacuum. Let me go ahead and get the machine running. Why is that on? It should be off. All right, YouTube, Facebook, it's Courtney. So we're done with the carpets. Carpets came out great. So right now what we did, living room, dining room came out great. Had a few ink stains. Got the fan blowing on the carpet. Those ink stains came out very good. Used some Ink Out by Pro's Choice to get those ink stains out. We're about to start the tile and grout cleaning process now. I'm going to take this and blow it that way. So I'm going to go ahead and pre-treat all the tile and grout floors. Now I was going to use the that product that I got from Mikey's Fest, that Sager Tsusami, but I had some leftover prime time with some peroxide inside, so I'm going to just use the rest of that for the floor. So what me and Ethan's going to do, just going to pull this couch out so we can clean behind it. Also slide those tables out. This that table right there is on wheels. So now I didn't even know I'm using my little camera again. I want to get my finger in the way, but it has like a little dial on it where I can move the camera up and down. I just realized that last night watching videos on YouTube. So alright guys, so we're going to come back and show you some cleaner results, this travertine floor. You can start putting me back. How about that? Alright guys, we are done with Mr. Daniel's home. We just did the travertine floors, the tile and grout. Well, the tile and grout travertine floors. Got the air mover going down. So you can see how much better it's going to look once it's fully dry. You can kind of see that grout line right there. And then we also did the stairs. Stairs came out great. So I'm just going to leave this air mover on here while Ethan is finished wrapping up. This is Mr. Daniel's second time using my service, and I thank him again. Good job, Mr. Daniels. Awesome. And you see those ink stains came up too?
Yeah.
Yep, that came up very good. Alright guys, so we're going to finish wrapping up. Let the air mover stay down for about another 5 or 10 minutes. Actually, I'm going to position it in here, in this area. Came out really, really good. Alright YouTube, thanks again for watching. We're about to head to our second one. See you in the next one.